Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cuisine Miles. We are excited to welcome you to the another interesting episode of Cuisine Miles. Today we can enjoy the beauty of Athirappally Waterfall. It's situated in the Thrissur district of Kerala. Now, you may be wondering how to get there. One of the largest waterfall of Kerala is 40 km from Kochi International Airport and 58 km from Trissur railway station. It is known as Niagara Waterfalls of India, which originates from the upper reaches of the Western Ghats. Let's take a ticket and move into the enjoy the beauty of the waterfall from the top and close. Guys, you can enjoy the beauty of nature and the sounds of the birds here. Athirappally is famous location of filmmakers. We can see the beauty of this nature in premises Ponnambaram Kota, Maniratnam's Dilse, and the biggest motion picture of India, Bahubali and all. The 145 kilometers long Chalakudy River originates in the Annamudi mountains of the Western Ghats and flow through the Vazhachal forest towards the Arabian Sea. I will get you with an episode about the nearest Waterfall Falls. Before signing off today, take a drive from Athirappally to Valparai. Many of us think that Athirappally is the end of the breathtaking road. Those who travel further have enjoyed the one of the most beautiful route in India across the Western Ghats. Some places of this road is very narrow, but it's suitable for bikes and cars. There will be very few vehicles and the road will be mostly yours so that you can enjoy the drive. Maybe elephant will block your road. The route passes through the rainforests of the Western Ghats from Chalakudy in Kerala. Heading west beside the Chalakudy River via Athirappally, Pulilapara, Malakapara, Sholayar, Valparai, Aliyar and finally reaching the Pollachi in Tamilnadu across the Western Ghats. Hope you like this journey of nature. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I hope you will comment your opinion and suggestions. I will be back to you with an awesome juice recipe for this hot weather. Thank you so much.